So we are here doing homeschool this evening. I just got off of work and I wanted to talk to everybody about neurodivergence and hypo and hypersensitivities. And one of the things that we work on, and the reason why we homeschool, is because with Charlie Pants here, writing and writing legibly and neatly is one of the signs that you might notice in your kiddo as to whether or not they might have some type of neurodivergence. Now for Charlie, motility, okay, in his fingers and hands has always been something that we have needed to work on. It's not that anything is wrong with them, it's just we have to make accommodations. Y'all probably know where my sassy ass is going with this. Yep, exactly. So we're doing long division right now. Yes, and I'm going to give you an example of how we make accommodations for him here at home, because in regular school, they wouldn't do this. All right, so how many times does 12 go into 96? You might have to do some multiplication on the bottom part there.
So 12 times 96?
No. How many times does 12 go into 96? So you're going to have to take 12 and add a bunch of 12s together to get all the way up to 96.
Okay, so I'll just count up to 90. I'm just kidding, because I can't.
Homie, come on now.
So
you can write it down on the bottom here, like this, right here. 12 plus 12 plus 12 until you get close to 96, or at least at 96. Keep going, okay?
So that'll be a 36.
That's 36. So that, how many 12s are there? Did I write down? There's 3 12s. All right, keep going all the way to 96. Yeah, how many 12s do you got there? By the way, he does math left to right.
8, 10, 12, 13. Why did I say 13?
I don't know.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
16.
16.
Uh-huh. Up here. Oh, I'm interrupting.
14, 16, 26, 46, 46, 46, 66, 76, 86,
96. You did it.
8
8
times!
So yeah, he does math left to right, by the way. So starting from the larger digit going down. And the way that he does it is pretty amazing. But again, that's not what they teach in
real
conventional
school.
Yeah. Well, this is real school too, but
This is why I do homeschool, because they don't give me gridded papers.
yes. So that's what we're going to show them next. Okay, so we use these boards so that we're not wasting paper, but you can see here, this is what his writing looks like with no grids, no lines. Even if he has lines, this is actually really, really neat for how he usually writes, and that's because he has just practiced using grid paper. So this right here is a simple accommodation that we make for him at home to help him with his writing and as well as his motility, okay?
Yep.
And this right here is something that you'd have to go through a whole ass IEP situation for through the school, that oftentimes schools will do their darnest to deny you your IEP. So you have to fight. How do I know? Because I have gone through this before with public schools, and I said, nope, not doing it. I'm going to do it myself with my kid. And you know what these accommodations are a part of? Starts with a D. And for some of you,
Division.
it might... Three-letter acronym, people. It's a 3-letter acronym that some of y'all ignoramuses hate. You hate this shit. Why do you hate having to make an accommodation, a simple accommodation in school or for your kid, such as Using grid paper.
Yeah.
Why do you hate that?
Division.
That's what I want to know.
Division.
I'm looking at you, moms of liberty, you
Division.
dumbasses.